guys? Welcome to the channel. It's raining. I gotta put some, I gotta swap all the tires out on this car. So, I got my jack, got my kneeling mat, I got my impact. We're gonna see how long this takes me. I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. I have the parking brake set on this car, and I have it in park. I am not gonna use jack stands, but I don't think it will move. I've done this before, so. Alright, let's see how long it takes me. Ready? And go. Handy dandy torque wrench, set to 100 foot-pounds.
Here we go.
Yeah, this is worthless. Just getting wet. Done. See, elapsed time, we have 12 minutes. That is not bad for swapping all 4 tires. I just put my winter tires on in 12 minutes. Not that hard. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe for more future content.